Another helpful feature which has been added in Canva is the ability to translate text in your design from just about any language to just about any other language. So let me show you how to do this, because this could be really useful if you're trying to speak to, audience with a different language, just multiple languages. You just want to easily be able to make that conversion. You can now do it directly from within Canva. So let's take this design here, just a very simple design I've created where I sort of introduce myself. And let's say I wanted to speak to a different audience. So this is in English now, but let's say I wanted to translate this to Spanish or a different language. What you're going to do then is you're going to come over under the Apps tab. This lives under the Apps tab. And so if you click on the Apps tab and then you come over and you're going to find this Translate option. Now the way this works now, I'm going to get into this in a second, but when you add something, the recently used items here are going to show up in your menu. But everything down through the apps is sort of permanent on this left menu, but then you'll find other things here that I've added that I can X out. I'm just telling you that because sometimes things will show up into this left menu, but if you don't see them, just come under this apps tab and that's where you're going to find it. So that's where we're going to find Translate. So once we bring it up, you get this box here, and you can click over to settings and you can see that there are a couple options here you can look at under settings, but the main stuff you're going to find here is under this Translate option. Now there's an option in here for auto detect, I think, but you can also come under here and choose the actual language. So you can select English in this case. Otherwise, if you didn't know what this was, you could use auto detect or you could just try that out. But I'm going to choose English and then I'm going to choose Spanish. But if we look in here, you can see that there really is just about every option you're going to possibly need. In this case, I'm going to do Spanish. So again, I've selected Spanish there. And then you choose what pages in your design you want to apply it to. So I'm just going to apply this to page 1. I actually only have one page in this design, but then all you do is you click the button once and it's just like that. It's going to go through and instantly translate the language in your design. So this is super, super helpful. Now you will notice here that it says 498 uses left. I just tested this out, and so it started with 500 and then it says refreshes 424. So it looks like maybe it's giving you 500 uses for a month. And I think in most cases, that's going to be more than you're ever going to use. Now, if you're someone who does this a lot, or you're part of a bigger company and you use this again and again, then maybe you could run out of this option here. But of course, there are other options for translating things. For example, you could just come over to Google Translate and you could paste something in here very easily, get the translation, and then bring it back and paste it into your Canva document. So there are other ways to do this. There are workarounds if you hit this limit here, and I don't know ultimately whether they're going to get rid of this limit. So I don't know about the limit, whether it's a permanent thing or not, but there are ways to work around this. So just know that you can go to somewhere else, use something like Google Translate, and then come back and paste in your design. But it certainly is helpful and does save time just to have this Translate option right here within Canva. So just another Canva feature to be aware about, and make sure you take advantage of this new feature when it makes sense for you. Hey, this is Greg. Thanks so much for checking out this video. You can give it a like below if you found it helpful, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and set up notifications if you want to stay up on all the latest information all about Canva. Thanks again and have an awesome day.